Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here, and today I'm here with an interesting personality, and I can say Sourav Gayen. He's from West Bengal, and today I'm really happy with him. So I can say thank you so much. Firstly, I would like to pay a lot more thanks to him for joining me today on Skype. So I would like to give chance to Sourav sir. So please tell me something about yourself, so it will be better for the watchers to know about you.
Okay, so thank you very much, Ashutosh. It's my privilege to be in your Skype video. And okay, so would you want me to introduce first?
Yes.
Okay. So hi everyone, this is Sourav Gain from West Bengal, India. I'm 23 years old, quite young, and I graduated from Calcutta University in 2019. My faculty was English literature, and since 2019, I have been working as a private teacher of English language, and I give tuition to my students of class 9th and 10th. And besides that, I do also have my own English communication class as well. But this is basically only for my villagers because I want them to speak English, as well as I do also teach them a little bit skills about the computers.
Okay, that's really nice in I think introduction. That's wonderful to know about you. Even you are just exploring this kind of skills to others. That's really wonderful. So now I would like to give my introduction a little bit, so it will be better for the watchers to know. And this is Ashutosh Dwivedi
Sure.
here. I'm coming from Uttar Pradesh. And about my qualifications, I'm not doing a lot, but yeah, I'm just doing my graduation with the Department of Commerce. So right now I'm a student of BCom second year. It's all about me, and thank you. So I think now I would like to
Okay.
know something. You told me a lot and about your skills. I think it is also really fantabulous. I like very much your way of speaking. I think sort of so
Uh,
firstly. Yeah,
okay. Thank
this
you.
is really
Thanks a million.
wonderful. And now I would like to tell you, I have been connected with you for a long. I can say that I came to know about you from Hello application. So I can
Yeah.
say that before few months ago, when you were doing live streams there, you were talking to the people. Even I also discussed with you. Sometime I did a role play with you and about the like hotel, about the like shops, and that was really an interesting part of our journey. So now I would like to know something from you about this journey and tell me something interesting like that. What I think enjoyed in this journey about English speaking.
Okay. So first of all, I started my English communication journey in December 2019, as I already mentioned on Hello application. So initially it was pretty tough, just like any ordinary person. Whenever actually we just start doing something, so we feel a little bit of apprehensive about that skill. But day by day, actually, as we just keep practicing, so definitely everything becomes easy and effortless. So exactly the same happened to me as well. So initially, I would be really apprehensive, but after that, I just started talking to more and more people. It doesn't matter. Actually, I made one mistake or 1,000 mistakes, but I never looked at my mistakes. Okay, so I always looked at my friends, their communication skill. I followed them. I learned a lot of things from them. At the same time, I would prefer to like give a big thanks to the teachers of the Hello application actually who have really like fantabulous and really profound knowledge about the English communication. They taught us step by step by making their videos. And the journey has been really wonderful. And if I have such friends just like you and some other good friends, so definitely my journey, has always been really worthwhile.
Yes, that's really wonderful. It means you started your journey from Halo, I think, and you achieved a lot from Halo as well. So even I'm also supporting to Halo. I would say I must say that I learned a lot of things from there. I used that application consistently 5 months. So it's really I think good to listen about you, and even I'm also from the same platform. So I'm really
Yeah,
thankful for June and Wayne and the founder and co-founder of that application. They did a
exactly.
lot for us, and we Indians are enjoying a lot, and we are learning a lot more things. That is really wonderful. So, and what
Yeah.
about the WhatsApp groups? I can say that I was aware about you, but only I think few days before I came to know about you. When I saw, I can say that group like video group, and I just listened to your voice. I just there was I can say instantly within few minutes I was able to recognize you. That is the same person I think who was making live streams with a green background. Yeah. So I think after
Okay.
that I recognized you. So I was just also I can say that thinking to talk to you one day, but I haven't got a time. But after that you texted me. So thank you so much for that. So what about your WhatsApp journey and how you became aware about WhatsApp groups?
Okay. Uh, Basically, I have been the member of two or three WhatsApp groups groups. And if I talk about the video conversation group, basically I was added there by Wasim brother. Okay, so Wasim brother has been an admin of that particular group. So once we had a conversation on Hello application, so that time I really, yeah, I was really, really shocked that, oh my God, you're from Uttar Pradesh and you're speaking with such great fluency and your accent is pretty good, your pronunciation is flawless. Okay, so I mean, besides this Hello application, I mean, what type of practice do you do? Okay, to just get that much fluency. He then told me, brother, I do just talk with more and more people. I just try to follow them. I learn a lot of things from them. I keep just watching videos. I keep listening to the people. So these are some of the ways actually by following which I have, I have got this particular fluency. Then I asked him, okay, so do you have any particular like WhatsApp group or something? He told me, yeah, I've been the admin of that WhatsApp group. Then I requested him, brother, please do add me in that group. Okay, so he added me I think couple of months ago. Okay, so since that time, actually, I started using it, and to be honest, my journey on this particular WhatsApp group has been really, really fantastic and really like worthy. And I've got some new friends as well, such as like Rinku brother from Assam, and now I got you. Okay, now I got you previously, and then I got Wasim brother. I got Sadab brother from northern part of India. So I've got a lot of friends, and definitely their level of dedication about English communication is really up to the mark. And I'm really, really privileged to be a part of this group.
Oh, that's really wonderful. So just somehow you became the part of that group. For me, I'm just using WhatsApp groups from the last 8 months. I started, I think,
Oh,
my first group I joined along with Halu. I think when I was using Halu. So one day I encountered with a person, Mithun from Kerala, and he talked to me and he told me he's also running a group. So he joined me there. But after that, I think that was the September 8, 2020. That was my first group when I joined. So from the last, I think, 8 months, I'm talking to the people a lot on the WhatsApp groups.